What if one of the world's greatest lost civilizations has been hiding in plain sight? Deep in the Sahara Desert of Mauritania lies a gigantic circular geological formation known as the Richet structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. From the ground, it looks like a strange landscape of hills and rocky ridges. But from above, its enormous concentric rings create an almost perfect circular pattern. And that's where the Atlantis theory begins. More than 2,000 years ago, the Greek philosopher Plato wrote about Atlantis, powerful civilization surrounded by rings of land and water. At first glance, the Richet structure seems remarkably similar to that description. The formation contains multiple circular ridges surrounding a central area, creating a pattern that looks almost like a gigantic ancient city when viewed from space. Supporters of the theory also point toward another detail. Plato described Atlantis as having a connection to the sea. Some researchers have suggested that geological features around the Richet structure could represent traces of ancient waterways. And there is another intriguing geographical coincidence. Plato's story places Atlantis near mountains, while the Atlas Mountains lie to the north of the Richet structure. Even the name seems strangely familiar. In Greek mythology, Atlas was a powerful figure associated with the ancient world. Dan Plato's story says, Atlas was the first king of Atlantis. But here's where the mystery meets science. Geologists have found that the Richet structure is a natural geological formation, created through millions of years of erosion and geological uplift. There is also no confirmed archaeological evidence showing that Atlantis existed at this location. And the Richet structure is actually hundreds of kilometers from the Atlantic coast. So is the Eye of the Sahara the remains of Atlantis? There is no scientific evidence proving it. But its extraordinary appearance raises an irresistible question. Could Plato's legendary city have been inspired by a real place? Or are we simply looking at one of Earth's most spectacular natural formations? The mystery of Atlantis remains unsolved. And perhaps that's exactly why we keep searching.